President Trump's policies appear to be having a positive impact on the economy in a number of areas. One America's Eric Solomon breaks down Tuesday's testimony from the chairman of the Federal Reserve.
Fed Chairman Jerome Powell expresses confidence in the current state of the economy and indicates there is no end in sight to the steady growth taking place. In both a written testimony and speaking before the Senate Banking Committee, Powell touched on a number of issues relating to the economy, including the labor market, GDP, and trade. He believes there will still be several years of strong job growth ahead, while inflation will remain low.
Yes, I would say that the labor market has strengthened. The labor report will show that wages went up 2.7%. That's significantly higher than trend inflation. There is a bit of a bump from gas prices going up, and consumers do pay that, but I would say that overall workers are better off.
Powell went on to say the unemployment rate is low and expected to fall further, claiming Americans who want jobs have a good chance of finding them. Shifting from the job market, Powell also said he believes the economy is moving so smoothly it can handle continued interest rate hikes. So far, the rate has been increased twice this year, with 2 more bumps expected by year's end. He points to the economy growing at a solid pace so far this year.
The value of goods and services produced in the economy, or GDP, rose at a moderate annual rate of 2% in the first quarter after adjusting for inflation. However, the latest data suggests that economic growth in the second quarter has been considerably stronger than in the first.
And on trade, Powell said he had a difficult time predicting the long-term impact negotiations will have on the economy. The U.S. is currently in talks with the EU, China, Canada, and Mexico, among other nations, as President Trump continues to call for more balanced deals. The Fed chair says these types of broad trade talks are unprecedented, but could eventually be great for growth.
In my adult life, I haven't seen where essentially all of our major trading partners. Hard to know how that comes out. If it results in lower tariffs for everyone, that would be a good thing for the economy. If it results in broader, higher tariffs across a broad range of traded goods and services that remain that way for a longer period of time, that'll be bad for our economy and for other economies too.
Powell's overall upbeat tone comes as he plans to return to Capitol Hill Wednesday to answer more questions, this time from the House Financial Services Committee. Eric Solomon, One America News.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube, and call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.